An alpha is an opportunity for you to show each other, so in the team that are actually working on it, and your stakeholders and anybody else who's interested, exactly how it's going to work. There are some elements that you can do on paper and you can get so far, but you can't tell how something's going to work on the web on a piece of paper. So an alpha will allow those discussions. When you're describing something and when you're explaining things to people and having all of those ideas, if you miss something, the human brain will fill it in for you. And if you've got 10 people sitting around a table, they're all going to fill in different things. So an alpha will let you see exactly what everybody else is talking about, and it gets you much further along the process a lot faster. With an alpha, you can build it and you can see the mistakes really quickly. So you fail fast and you make it better a lot faster. Because if you're getting to a point where any point in the process where you test it and you're not surprised by something and there's not some way of making it better, then I would recommend that you look at your testing processes again, because it's probably wrong. There are different ways, I think, to find the end of an alpha and what you originally went in with the alpha to do. The end of your alpha might actually be a massive room of people looking at a website that sort of works and sort of has an idea of how it's going to go, and you've done some testing so that you know that you're on the right tracks. So you know that you're at the end of it when you've got everybody's buy-in, you have a fair amount of user testing to allow you to go on to the next stage. And alpha's not finished if you have an awful lot of conflict in the room, or your user testing isn't at least 60% happy. I would say then that you should stay in the alpha phase until you get past those things. Content first, always. Build very quickly and do it collaboratively. You have to have everybody in the room. Just because somebody's a dev doesn't mean to say that they can't comment on the content. They're still users, they're still people, they still act in a way that other users will. So make it multidisciplinary, make sure everybody can comment and you're quite open, have a very constructive environment around an alpha. Make sure everybody can comment constructively and openly.